Good morning. Good morning. Can everybody hear me and see the screen? Um, Buenos dias. Let's get right into this. Spy is obviously top of the discussion here. Ranges are pretty crazy. We printed up to 414 and a half again this morning. Still can't blow through that number. Meanwhile, there's some aggressive buying in Google. I think they came out and said they're going to double down on AI. So all these AI names or all these companies here that have anything to do with fucking AI, I think they're all trading pretty good off the open here. Let's cycle through a bunch of them, the Microsoft and all this stuff. Um, I don't know if Amazon is going to throw it. I mean, it looks like Amazon is looking pretty juicy. The Nvidia, um, it's up a little bit, but not that much. But meanwhile, we're seeing similar action that we did yesterday. Yesterday, most of the buying was in these names, and everything else they were just kind of weak on. If you look at Pac West here, Pac West has got a problem here. I'm not sure what the news is on the Pac West, but I mean, obviously, this has been the place where they kind of push the fear here. They're saying the bank turmoil here is hardly over. Regional banks said deposits fell 10%. Right, right. So that was the news there, and deposits there fell a decent amount here. So apparently that's the news there. If we take a look at some crypto here, I think BTC is weak, 27.3. The whole complex is weaker. All right, but it's like they're hiding in a couple of these names, and they're not blowing this market out. Um, some of the news here that came out today, I don't even think it really mattered here. The PPI that came out today, and then we had the jobless claims, right? So producer prices rise 2.3%, smallest increase. So again, they're saying more, more stabilization on the inflation type stuff, which you'd think would be bullish here. Then we had the jobless claims climb out. Um, Rose 22,000, highest level since October 2021. You know, trend in jobless claims has been rising since the end of January. Good news. Who want to see more slack in the labor market to cool down wage gains? Blah blah blah. You know, I don't know how that's going to truly impact anything there either. But if we take a look at other news here, Unity here posted earnings. Unity is a data company here. What you got? What is it? Gum? All right. Um, I thought this was some interesting shit. Robinhood announced Wednesday company will begin allowing users to trade 24 hours a day during the week on some shit. Company announced these new trading hours, which will run from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. around the clock trading. I mean, what's up with that? I mean, they're saying 24 hours. I mean, we don't even get 24 hours. We get 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. at night. So what the fuck are they talking about? How are they allowed to trade this stuff and nobody else is? I don't know. I don't know. That shit was interesting to me. So take a look at that when you get a chance. And then let's go back to that Unity. So Unity here reported Disney here reported, and it wasn't that hot. Yeah, but do I think it's a short? Not really. Not really. Um, Let me give you an update on all my positions here. As you can see, I got a lot going on. I had 200 of this Google going into end of day yesterday. Yesterday was crazy, by the way. I was down like 60 grand. I made it back by the close and then added some on top. I made most of it back on the Google and the Nvidia, right? So in this Nvidia here, I still have like $1 of premium to prem out here. So it should go out today. These Nvidia calls that I have are not going to do me much good today. I have SPX and SPY long, which I'm going to take a loss on today, unless we all of a sudden rally all the way back. And then I have short SPX puts, which I'm also going to be down on here too. So this has been a lot of up and down type of shit, man. It's been tough. It's been fucking tough. Um, what else, guys? What else? What do you guys got? As far as some small caps here, can't see anything I like here. GFAI is down 30% overnight here. Huh. Oh shit! Yeah, check out that GFAI. In reality, I never had to leave this thing. Um, Bruce, yes, you're in a little late, so yes, we did see it. We did talk about it. Peloton saying they're going to recall 2.2 million bikes. Yo, man, these employees. Ganesh is talking about lithium stocks very strong in Australia again. TTD, right. TTD was another. This is trade desk, so this is, this was a hype stock during COVID. You know, this thing got up to like 500, I think. What was the all-time highs for this? I'm pretty sure it's 400, 500, and then got shithouse, man. All these guys do is just trade advertisement. It's just arbitrage for advertisement. At least that's what I think. Then you got a Baba gap up here, a couple of points on the Baba. Do I think it means anything? Probably not. Shop had this fast sell towards the close yesterday. I think it's a great time to sell calls on Shop. I think you can do pretty well. Google's AI chatbot Bard gets multilingual with new upgrades. Multi-language support, Google Docs and Gmail integration. Bard, now upgraded to Google's new Palm 2 language model, will offer improved responses, better coding assistance, including debugging, and the ability to generate visuals using AI in the future, keeping it competitive with rivals such as OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Microsoft's Bing. I mean, I don't know, man. How much have y'all really used some of this AI shit? How much of you all really use some of this shit? I mean, I haven't used it at all. I really got to get on it, but I don't know what the hell is. I don't know how to use it. I haven't been active. Not at all. Um, I am gonna go ahead and sell some Google off the open. As far as ideas here for me, shit, man. Spy's got a big range, man. I feel like you can scalp. I feel like you can scalp futures ES really well today. I think today is going to be a great day to just scalp futures. I don't think I'm going to write, man. I don't think I'm going to write, man, because the volatility just kind of went up. It just went up. It's up. It's up. So unless you're on the right side of it, and you have to wait, you got to wait a while. Yeah, nice job, RB. Nice job. I mean, I'd like to say we can just write both sides, but I don't even know. Let's see how the premiums are off the open. But I think like scalping SPY up and down, could be a good idea today. Could be, could be. As far as like names to focus in on, obviously just watch these technical. Just watch this Google all day, man. Maybe you can pull some shit off. And then with money going to like Unity and shit like that, man, maybe I still like the ARC idea in the back of my head. Duke is saying, "Do you trade the same few stocks every day?" Duke, you've watched me a good amount. I think you know the answer to that question. Wakwas is saying, "I sold Goog puts yesterday. Nice, man. Nice. Those should be worthless off the open here. I mean, I got 100 of these Google 110s here. I got 100 of these Google 110s. And what is this thing trading at? 1 fucking 14 here. You know what I mean? It's a 3-point move up here. So these options are going to open up. I mean, at least $5. At least $5. These options open up at $5. I was selling yesterday at $4, four and a quarter or something like that. They might even open up at $6 here if we get a shot. Duke, pay me, man. Fucking pay me, bro. Then I'll tell you. Take a fucking course. God damn. Why you gotta be so drastic, Duke? Fucking Duke drastic over here. We need a bid on volatility back up to 18. Blah, blah, blah. Positioning for OPEX. XOM. Check out oil this morning. Not looking too hot. You know what I mean? So you got oil and banks pushing lower, and then you got your tech names kind of holding us up. You know. So that's something to really just kind of pay attention to in general. GT. This is the Goodyear tire? What the fuck is the news on this shit? Remember, I still have 90,000 shares short AMC, which I'm getting nowhere on currently. Yet. Yet. So we'll see what happens there. I'm dancing to the Bloomberg song. I don't know, man. 115 Google just printed. Somebody is going fucking ham here in the pre-market. I mean, At least I don't own Peloton stock. You know what I'm saying? At least I don't own Peloton stock. You know, there's always some good. $115.5 on this Google. Jesus. Come on, man. Come on, man. I don't know where this option closed at. 380 it looks like. Yeah, so it closed at 380. So I'll be up another like 10 or 12 off of that one. I mean, he's cool. Ranchero's talking about 117.5 on the Google. Very good spot. So what are you going to do? You're going to keep rolling, Ranchero? I was thinking of pulling some off the open. Damn, that coffee smells good. No, I don't drink that shit. All right, off the open here. I mean, I'm not going to do anything with the SPY shit that I have. I'll watch the NVIDIA here. Obviously, the short puts here. All right, here we go. Wow. Look at how these options opened up. There's fucking soul all over the place, though. Let's see if I can get 670. Oh, shit. I got a 25 lot. I'm trying to sell at $7 here. Let's see if somebody takes me. Nope. Notice the market maker put it in front of me. Here's a nice lesson here in trying to get the fuck out of something. So, all right, put some at 670. They front ran me too there. You motherfuckers. Y'all are good. All right. Want to play rough? Want to play fucking rough? Fuck it. All right, let me at least burn half here. Right, SPX is not looking too hot. So I'm making money there, but I'm losing money on fucking this other shit. Nvidia here down. Now I got to deal with this SPX here. Down 6 grand on this. God damn. Uh-huh. All right, I booked the loss on SPY. Now I still have the NVIDIA to figure out. This NVIDIA just plugged the hole here. All right, so I gotta flip the script here. This NVIDIA just got punked here. All right, I need a short position here. Is what I need. Because they are gunning for some shit here, boy. What the fuck? Oh, why did I do that? That was a fucking stupid move. All right, all right. fins down, energy down. My dumbass fucking took all my Google out. This is the only one that's working. I'm gonna roll on Google. All right, so what did I have? The 110s. All right. All right. Now I need a fucking spy like short, man. All right, hold on a second here. AMC here, 538, 538 on that AMC. So I'm looking pretty good there. At least I'm making money somewhere. Yo, these have been some fucking
Recording in progress.
tough sessions, man. Natalia, whose Zoom account are you using? Whose Zoom account are you using? Ok, hay un setting que tú tienes que cambiar porque está grabando. It's recording all this to your PC. But don't do it now. You can
Recording
do it later.
stopped.
Yeah, there you go. All right, man. This looks weak as shit here, bro. This looks weak as fucking shit here, man. I have NVIDIA. I have time on the NVIDIA. The problem is it just fucking looks like shit, man. I need a hedge. What am I doing, man? I need a fucking hedge. I just put 100 spy puts, but it's not enough. Yeah, it's probably another trap. The question is you don't know how long it's going to go for, though. You have no idea how long it's going to go for. They're selling Microsoft, too. You know what I mean? They're selling Microsoft. They're selling a bunch of other shit. Oh, funds. Keep me on that, then. Keep us on it. Talk it out. Talk it out. I love when people think they got the shit, they got the shit figured out. You know what I mean? I love it. GS here down 4 points here. Bank of America here, weak as fuck. Weak as fuck. You look at the Nvidia here. It looks like it's want to curl back. I would love to see AMC at $5, man. I would love to see AMC at $5. That'd be a fucking blessing. All right, I gotta clean up this fucking book here. Baba, huh? Got some flow into the Baba here. I wouldn't buy it, but looks good. Looks good. This thing could move 10 points, man. They've been really beating this thing up, you know. Let me talk about Rivian. Tesla here is just kind of meh. Meta. Meta is up, but it's just kind of dead. How much BP do I have? I don't even have that much fucking BP. Disney's getting whacked. Damn, 92 on that Disney. Things are coming back. Things are starting to come back. I rolled back into the Google, so I went ahead and rolled. So if you notice, the Google still got a fucking bid. I think best play you can make today is just fucking short some short some puts on that thing. Notice the separation in activity. You know what I mean? Halt here on the pack W. So again, Google 116, 116 on the Google. I'm with you, but I'm on the 115s. But I covered my 100 lot that I was holding overnight. So that one I did good on. The only problem I'm having is some other shit. Weakness here in the pack W here. Weakness here in the pack W here. That's gonna cause that crunch here. Check your Google. Check your Google. You gotta be shitting me. Good thing we rolled here. Good thing we rolled. The problem is I'm still getting my ass kicked on fucking Nvidia here. Still getting my fucking ass kicked. Nvidia fresh lows 287 here. Remember, I got till end of day to preem out on my 285 puts. My 285 short puts. I have 285 short puts. They're still going for $2, which is amazing to me. Watching lift. Ranchero here called out the 117 some kind of level. I don't know what the hell level he was talking about, but 117 and a half. We're almost there. Travis, this thing's nasty right now, bro. This thing's nasty right now. All right, let's scroll through a little bit here. Banks are starting to kick back up. AMC back up here. Flop on the Google there. Damn, man. Damn. Pack halt upside after $4 held. All right. You figure that'll help the market. Maybe. Maybe not. Look at Meta. Meta's up 2 points on a day like today. You know what I mean? Strange. Strange. Do I think it means anything? No. Let me take a look at this. Ark's holding. Ark's holding. Tech names are holding. So all they got to do is get over this bank shit, and everything should be fine. I'm going to keep my hedge just in case. Somebody told me to check out that UPST. I was watching that thing around 19. I still think you got to move up to 20 bucks on this thing, man. Take a look at the options on that one. Let's see what the flow's got. Let's see what Jesus got. Google here, they're buying some puts, probably to just lock in gains here. Microsoft puts they're buying for next week. Netflix puts they're buying for next week. 347. Those are in the money. Google puts SPY 410s here. They're buying a lot of Google puts. A lot of Google puts. So people are locking in. People trying to lock in. People trying to lock in. All right, Google back to highs. Let's see if we can break. Microsoft, you're saying is a fake sellout. Disney, nice pop. Keep an eye on that Pack W, man. Keep an eye on that Pack W. That Pack W comes back. Forget about it. Forget about it. All I need is for my Nvidia to start popping a little bit. And then I'll collect some money back on these SPX lines. In reality, for all the good trades that I made, there were some other trades that just negated the shitty ones. Keep an eye on that Meta. That Meta's interesting, man. That could be a sleeper. This could be a sleeper here. This could be a sleeper. And you talking about 240 on this thing by the end of the day. Keep an eye on that shit. 117 break on that Google. This thing is fucking insane. Fucking insane, man. I'm going to sell a quarter of this, even though there's fucking no reason to sell it. I'm going to hold my SPY puts just to hedge off what I got for these short SPX puts. Now, the only real problem I got now is fucking NVIDIA, man. What the fuck is she doing, man? NVIDIA's weak, man. AMD is just kind of chilling. What am I missing here? What am I fucking missing here on this thing? Where's that Peloton? How's that Peloton trading? Came up back a little bit. Shop here is just kind of holding. That Goldman Sachs here retraced a little bit of the sell here. Bank of America did as well. All right. Keep an eye on that Meta. All eyes on that Meta now. I want to see if there's a trade here. Check some of that flow here. See if they're buying any of that shit too. XOM here, you got some call buying. It's mostly weakness on tech here though. Besides the Google. If you got PAC W back up, that's a good sign here for the market. Another halt coming, somebody's saying on the Meta. So let's take a look at the Meta. Let's take a look at the Meta options, right? I mean, number one, do we really think this thing's got the stones here to get to 240? 240, these options are cheap, man. Nobody's pricing it in either. 117 still on that Google. Got a 40 lot left there. I'm still hurting on that fucking NVIDIA, man. Still hurting on the NVIDIA, but it could change. It could change. AMC here is doing nothing. Fresh highs Google. Let's play on the Meta. Let's at least just taste it, right? Let's at least taste it on the Meta. MFG Sosa, what's up, man? You have a good day as well, man. Gold here. I haven't checked it out. Gold here. Okay, nice breakdown in gold. I would imagine here materials aren't looking too hot. Just check in with that Baba. That Baba made new highs. And remember, Baba, Google, I don't know. I don't know if there's any correlation there. NVIDIA, I think I'm in trouble here, man. I think I'm in trouble, and I think they're gunning after me. I think they're fucking coming for me. Why have this option at $2? You know what I'm saying? Why have this option at $2 here? You know, why is this option at $2 and it's going to expire today? What am I, you know what I mean? What the fuck am I missing here? No, this is bad. I gotta flip. I gotta flip this. I'm gonna buy more SPY puts. I just sold a bunch of fucking Nvidia for a loss, which I did not want to do, and I was hoping to not do. Google here still kind of trading up. Got Meta. Keep an eye on that Meta. Yeah, something's wrong here, man. Nah, I gotta get out of this. Unless they're gunning for me specifically. Something's fucking wrong here on that Nvidia. I mean, why have these options? These options just exploded. They just exploded. They printed fucking 2.5, man. So what the fuck do they know that I don't? They know fucking something. And I'm over here just fucking waiting around, man. God damn it. God damn it. 2 fucking 60? Are you kidding me? They're fucking draining this Nvidia right now, man. I bought 300 of the SPY puts, but that's not enough to hedge what I got going on here. Fuck. Fuck me. I gotta bite the bullet, guys. I gotta bite the fucking bullet. The sooner I do, the sooner I can fucking work this all back. I still don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do on this Nvidia. I'm gonna wait for a pop and then get the fuck out. Check Meta. Check Meta. Check Meta. Explain that to me. Fresh highs on Meta. Fresh highs on Meta. Fresh highs on Meta. And I just gutted out that fucking SPX at the lows there like a fucking punk, man. God damn it. God damn it. Panicked. Fucking panicked. No. Fucking look at this. Look at this. Look at this rally on fucking Nvidia. You motherfucker. Motherfucker. All right. I mean, if anything, there's your out. So at least I could bury there. And then just try to work back the pain of it all. What's it doing? I mean, Google just hit highs. Fucking missing something here, man. We were talking about the ranges are going to be fucking ridiculous today. AMD. AMD is green, man. AMD's green, man. It's trading fucking 98 over here. Google and Meta. Amazing. I'm going to start closing it, guys. I'm going to start closing it. It is what it is. It is what it is. There's a reason why they have those premiums up so much. 286. 280s are going for 70 cents. Are you fucking kidding me? How? How? This thing moves that much? I'm gonna buy 100 of the 282 and a half puts. I wouldn't join me. I wouldn't join me. Gold and silver are puking. Shouldn't that be bullish for the fucking market? Meta here is holding. Google here is at highs. This shit doesn't care. Shit doesn't care. I got out completely. Taking all the Google off. All right. All right. Let's fucking reassess here. So I'm seeing Apple selling. Interesting. All I'm gonna do now is wait. If we can't bounce here, I'm gonna fucking short the shit out of everything. I'm shorting the living fucking shit out of everything, bro. Problem is, I held all this shit overnight, so I don't have all that leverage that I have from back. Architect is saying SPX 4100 puts building could be a wall. Where are we trading now? 4113. Yeah, wouldn't be surprised. I think somebody's cooking up something on Nvidia. I think something's about to go down that nobody's fucking ready for. Nobody's ready to see this thing fucking die. Nobody. Nobody. You know? What's that? Who does? When? Amazon just hit fresh highs, man. It's trading 111. Right? Who's ready? Who's ready for Nvidia to drop 5 points here? Who? Tell me. Nobody is. Nobody is. Not one fucking person. Well, yeah, y'all, but I'm talking about in general, right? It's like those folks who are looking at the metas and the Googles and all this kind of stuff. Miss Trade is talking about 400 next week's buy. Is that your prediction? Oh, yeah, sure. When everybody's getting super bullish, you pull it, pull the plug. For July, somebody just bought 265 puts for July for the Nvidia, but with time. Remember, with time. Miss Trade is saying long puts for money on the line. A dog A. All right. Now I'm heavily positioned to the short side. All right. If we're not a short, I'm just going to need to get ready to pull the band-aid off quick. SE. Damn. Nvidia here playing games here. Imagine if this is all fucking horrible setup for me. The options are now trading $2 to 285s here. This would be where you add on the short, but that's dangerous. It's dangerous. Notice how we're not selling down here yet? This looks more like we're about to pop back to 411 here to me. I'm gonna wait this out though. I'm gonna wait this out for now. AMD, you're saying is going higher? 98 and change here. All I'm watching is that 285 line, man. That 285 line. I just want to watch the premium on that 285 line. What is Tesla doing? Probably nothing. Absolutely nothing. Win here. Win. Remember, they haven't sold casinos at all. All right, here comes your SPY. Possible breakdown. Possible. I would not get too cocky on this thing. If anything, if SPY, again, can't really push lower with any aggressiveness here, you're looking for a bounce. No, but let's see. I have my positions here. I'd like to say they're looking good. Would I drop another $500,000 on them? Nope. Nope. Let's watch some tape on NVIDIA here. Let's watch some tape on NVIDIA. We need something in the money. Let's flip. Let's buy that line that I got fucking smoked out of. Let's buy that same line. These motherfuckers. You want to play rough? Fine. Fine, let's go. All right, so I bought that same line they squeezed me out of. But the problem is I'm buying the lows here. If I'm not right immediately here, I got to get the fuck out. All right, so let's... You want to get long NVIDIA where? I see. That's that same level they can't break from days before, right? Checks buy. Checks buy. Notice you couldn't sell down there. All right. Now here is the key. Here is the key. SPY should rip here. If it doesn't, we're looking good. That tape was good on NVIDIA. So far, so good. Yo, Daniel, just so I can voice it out, what I'm looking for on NVIDIA is, remember, I was short the 285 puts, right? And I come into today, and the premium's trading about $1.60 still, and that was all the way up at the highs. Stock tanks, bro. Stock starts tanking. The premium is just, it's holding up so well on the put side. So that's why I think today we can get a fucking serious move lower. I'm talking about the 285s. So I'm going short. I'm shorting. I'm full on short NVIDIA here. But again, your trade is your trade. I'm just on the other side of it. That's it. Just cause I'm looking at the premiums here. That's all I'm looking at. I'm looking at that too. And again, tape looks pretty fucking weak. But on NVIDIA specifically. And now they're printing it up to $3. To fucking $3. That's where I sold it, man. That's where I sold it. And we're only in the money 50 cents, man. So what do they know, bro? I think they know this thing's going to 280. For today? And that wasn't me. That was not me. I mean, I got 300 of this. That was not me. Somebody else bought a 100K of those 280 puts, guys. So we got to go for this. We got to go for this. I fucking did all the work. I did all this work. What? To just sit here? Nope. 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 All right. You guys see my positions. I got 200 of the 285s. I got 200 of the 282 and a halves. And then I got a 75 lot of the out of the money lottos here. Ask Chrissy Trades. Say I told you so one more fucking time. Say it one more fucking time. One more time. One more time. Go ahead. Say it. Say what again, motherfucker? Say it. Jesus fucking Christ. Nobody gives a fuck what you say, Chris. I need you to remember that. However, if you say it in a way we're all helping, then I'll listen. Nobody gives a fuck what you said, bro. No to spy. No to spy. Can't really sell. Nvidia here could stop that selling anytime soon. So let's not get too cocky on this thing. Let me know if you buy, Daniel. Richard here is buying Nvidia here down at the lows. No to spy. They got this thing just chilling, man. Meta came off a little bit. No, the Google's just kind of chilling now. Guys, I fucked up. Franklin here just called me out, and I totally forgot. It's only Thursday. That's why. I'm over here thinking it's Friday, and these are Friday premiums. You fucking dumbass motherfucker. That's why I was so fucked in the head. I was like, yo, how come it's Friday and and these options are $2? I couldn't fucking figure it out. Yo, Franklin, you saved my life right there, bro. You saved my motherfucking life right there. Yo, double down. Y'all got some quotes today. I'm gonna pull up those videos, man. If it's a lie, then we fight on that lie. He talking to Avon, man. Avon's all fucked up. Yo, my bad, guys. My bad. I don't know what to say. Now I'm totally fucked as far as my mentality here. Spy here has just been holding. Most of these tech names are still looking fine. Even some of the banks are coming back here. You know, so Nvidia here pushed the low, but it doesn't necessarily mean here that we're really going to go ahead and sell. It really doesn't. It really doesn't. We got to give it a little bit, but If you give it too much, you run the risk. You run a big risk. Tesla red to green here, you're telling me. Natalia, tú tienes una posición. Y tampoco yo. And here comes the pop on a video. Oh my god, man. And now the problem is I'm long so much fucking premium that if you're not gonna get your follow through here, all you're gonna get is burning fucking premium here. So theoretically, I should come off of this. You know, if you look at the Microsoft here, the Microsoft looks bid. Nice American, very nice. 3.3 million Apple puts for December. Now notice SPY spent all that time down there and couldn't break lower. We just couldn't break lower. You know? Is this really a fucking sell here? It doesn't look like it to me. You know, we want to see SPY at lows of day yesterday, theoretically, but we don't have to. This could just be more just fucked up range trading here. Banks are holding. Yeah, man. Yeah, banks are holding here. Banks are holding. I mean, this Bank of America is starting to sell off a little bit. The wall here starting to sell a little bit. I don't think any of this fucking matters though. Let me take a look at some more of this flow here. Google calls here. You got buying. But those Nvidias, that 100K, I mean, it technically was just a fucking lotto, man. Because it's at the low end of the range. They're going for a break. This could literally just have been a really well done setup for me. For me and all the people that fucking thought Nvidia was going to 300 right now. Here goes SPY, even higher. Somebody talking about ARC? Yeah, a little bit. Fuck, man. That's not good, man. That is not good. 411 on SPY. I mean, I gotta start. I gotta start pulling off. I gotta start pulling off. I'm not gonna dump it yet, but thinking about it. Thinking about it. Let me talk about CBNA. Wow. Yeah. Meta here, program lower. It's all very tight, though. It's all very tight. I mean, I could add, but why? You know what I'm saying? Why? Why? Until I know here that we're gonna fucking sell with some fucking cojones, man. This is a wait and see, guys. This is wait and see for me. This is wait and see for me. I'm gonna buy another 100 of the. What the fuck? Oh no. That is not what I wanted to do. I bought fucking 200 more of those. Oh, what an idiot! What an idiot! What an idiot! What an idiot! Yo, your boy is fucking making some royal errors today, man. Guys, some days we just off, man. Some days you just off, man. Remember, guys, this is entertainment, okay? If y'all take this too seriously, then I start taking it seriously. So to Richard Gomez, fuck off, bro. This is your entertainment. I'm doing this for you. All right. Um, I bought on 100. No, Richard, it doesn't help. You're not here to help me. You're here to be entertained. So sit there and be entertained. All right. Yo, Daniel, I have a lot. Like I got a lot. Then again, do I really? Yeah, I don't have any more. I barely have any more BP, guys. So I'm in this. I'm in this, and whatever happens, happens. So basically, 409 is what we're going for. If we get below that, that'd be great. Nvidia target would be 282, 282 and a half, somewhere around there. But guess what? If they hold this down here, and especially if they hit 284, how many people have to get the fuck out of this thing? How many people have to get the fuck out of this thing? That's my question. That is my question. All right, now here comes your spy. Dom is saying, what's the plan with that AMC short? I mean, what you think the plan is? Yo, this Microsoft is going higher, by the way, guys. If Microsoft is going higher. If Microsoft is going higher. You know what I'm saying? Shit's going higher. Google just made a high. You know what I mean? All right, guys, I'm gonna size down on some shit here before I get fucking rolled over. I'm gonna watch some videotape now like a fucking hawk, man. We gotta hit 409 on SPY. We got to. What's the low from yesterday? Whatever that low is from yesterday, that's what I'm going for on SPY. The Rock's on CNBC? What he's saying? What he's talking about? Fast and Furious, probably. Talking about Vin Diesel and shit. AMC, my plan is to get a point on 90,000 shares. That's what my plan is. Drastic, pay me. Every question now you ask, pay me. You have reached your question threshold. You're a drastic ass duke, motherfucker. well, well then I'll see you when I see you. But yeah, that's my plan on AMC. To Julia is saying Nvidia about to rally, buying 90 calls. Good, man. Good. Good. This could all be bullshit here, man. This could all be complete bullshit here. I was gonna sell. I was gonna cover some of those down there. Didn't do it. I didn't do it. Should have. Fucking should have. What is it doing? It's going up, right? We should have broke down there on SPY. We should have definitely dumped down there on SPY. Definitely. Yeah, Goldman Sachs. Unfortunately, that doesn't give us anything on timing. All right, I gotta go ahead and bail a bunch of shit here before I get smoked. Yep, yep. We're fucking going higher. Unbelievable. Nice job. Nice job, guys, buying that low there. I think we just continue this now because if you look at most tech here, they're actually bid. Shit's bid. Shit's fucking bid. We can't sell because none of these techs want to sell. Fuck. Okay, out of SPY puts, and this is when you really get smoked. Got rid of all the SPY puts. Got rid of all the SPX there. Okay, I'm gonna start working out of this fucking shit. Nice work, man. Nice work, man. Now they're buying Q calls, of course, because that's how you fucking lift this whole market. Tape has changed here. Tape has changed here. Short-term trading, I love that. I love that. Right, those fucking puts, man. Covered all that. About to cover all my fucking Nvidia shit here as well. That hurt. That hurt. That hurt. I'm ready to throw it all back in, but that hurt. I ain't gonna lie. That fucking hurt. New American, I like that. I like that. It's all good, Lance. It's all good. New American. So again, like when we have wide ranges, when we have really wide ranges on SPY, over the years, the best strategy for that or the best hedge for that is to just fucking turn it off. The question is what do you program to turn it off, right? So let's say you're looking at VIX. I don't think VIX is enough of a thing, you know. Netflix looks strong, man. Yeah, Netflix does look strong. Let's pull up this Amazon. Let's pull up these banks. Banks are starting to lean higher here. I think after this, after the fact that we couldn't bust down those lows, after the fact here, Google here just finally took a program down here. Jay Kent, do you currently own puts on that? Do you currently have any puts on that? Just out of curiosity. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying, American. If you notice here, the text here had a sweep down, but again, market now looks fine. You know what I'm saying? There's no panic here. There's no panic here, and there's no aggressive selling. If anything, it's just weakness. You know, it's just a lack of buying, which is enough to sell, but it's not enough to sell enough. You know what I mean? It's not. So for us to make the call that we're going to go to 409, it's a tough call. It's possible, but it's a tough call. And they'll try to push more shorts in here just by keeping it weak, but we don't have any follow through here. So you're not going to get any fucking juice on your options here. You're not going to make any money. You're just going to chop up if you go long these things. I'm saying maybe. Maybe we do sell off. I don't know. As of right now, I would be comfortable selling calls. I'd be comfortable selling some calls. I'd be comfortable doing that. As Chrissy Trades is saying, we're bear flagging on NASDAQ 5. All right, so I'm gonna start thinking about putting the trade back on, right? Because maybe I got shook out. It's definitely true that maybe I got shook out. If I got shook out, then the trade is still correct, right? All I was doing was I was just too early to the trade, right? And I got about 300K left in buying power, which is still plenty of buying power. AMD fresh low, right? Okay, so now I got 400 back on the Nvidia puts. The problem is now I'm fucking with my cost too much. I'm fucking with my cost too much. So I'm even buying at the wrong places. So that ain't ideal either. And again, all this now is a range here that they've built from 410 to 411. So now you got a range here. You don't really know if we can break down. You don't know yet. Guys, if you see any put buying on that Nvidia, you let me know. Or SPY or anything like that, you let me know. The meta here just punked out. So that's good tape on the meta here. Assuming if we like the short. That's good tape on the meta here. Meta looks like it might just go right back to 233, which is solid here for Nvidia because that gives us more space. I don't want to buy Nvidia puts. I think I'm right on this Nvidia, and I think what I'm doing is I'm just fucking trading around it so much that I'm losing the focus. I think we're good on fucking Nvidia. It's just now you accumulate all these fucking losses that you got to pay back for. So I'm gonna just keep my fucking mouth shut here and just yeah. But I fucked it up, bro. I was trading it in and out, in and out, in and out, just fucking it up, taking losses on it, just overthinking it. Now I have 400 contracts short, so I think I'm okay now. It's just I'm making back losses is all I'm doing. What happened? Oh, nice job, Chris. Nice work, Chris. I mean, basically, if I'm able to get $4 on this, I mean, again, the good thing is I made the loss back more or less. But, you know, I had 400 of the 282 and a halves, and I had them from a great cost. You know what I'm saying? I had them from a dollar like 20. I had them from a dollar 20, dollar 30, the 282 and a halves, and they're trading 230 right now. They fucking doubled. They fucking doubled. I had 400 of those. So this was a $200,000 trade here, yo. All right, it's only 10:45. It's only 10:45. What y'all need to understand is you're talking to a man who has done this for 15 years. So what's happening is my stress is causing y'all to be stressed. And then what it's doing is it's causing y'all to try to help me. Remember who you're talking to here. Remember who you're talking to. Y'all seem to forget. So yeah, this is every day. This is what it looks like every day. Bruce, I see that. Digital saying, can you talk about the feeling of a good trade? Yeah, good trades are boring, bro. Good trades are more or less they're boring. You not really overthinking them per se. Yeah. So we're talking about GFAI. I mean, whatever. Pins here, selling here. There's Peloton here. Let's just take a lap around here. See what's going on. If we do sell, it's all gonna be on a quick program fucking down. Shop here. Shop here. Finally got the wind taken out of it. Google here, 116 and change. That was a good exit on the cover there. Let's take a look at AMD. Whatever. There's your spy pop. Roku. BAC. So you got to program up on some of these banks here. Maybe that's what's kicking up this market. That fucking meta. That meta looks good now. Meta looks good. Market looks like it's fucking about to go higher. Oh, gotta feel the pain, my friend. There's your pop spy. Nvidia here. Boom, straight back. Good Lord, man. I could go ahead and add here, but is that even wise, man? Added another 25 there. Okay, I'm gonna add on SPX too, 5 lot. But this doesn't. That's a reversal here that screws a lot of people. Meta looks strong now. This tape looks strong now. So we could all of a sudden just roll higher here. We could. And then cover all that pre-market action, just like we did yesterday and the day before and the day after that. You know what I mean? We could. We could. I don't know. I don't know. I'm sure some of you guys are betting on it. I think I'm getting tired overall, so I'll try to work my way out of this, lick my wounds here, and try again another day. Cal's the same, man. They just keep propping up broad market. Yep, with Megatech. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. You know, and now they just have wider ranges, but we're still consolidating. We're still not going anywhere on SPY. We're still technically not doing anything. You know what I mean? Google here back to 117. Still looking really strong. Notice the AMC, 533 here. That looks better. Guys, I'm going to stay on for now. I mean, until I figure out this fucking NVIDIA shit. Meta, you know, Meta looks strong. I got to say, Meta looks strong, you know. Uh, what y'all think of PayPal long term? I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I can't call it. Can't call it. Nano was saying a friend was trying to rationalize the situation. He went long multiple times and it just kept going lower. BTC, somebody just calling out. Let's take a look at BTC. Is it at 26? Not at 26 yet, but it's almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Had the wrong screen on. Let's take a look at BTC. BTC here. I mean, it hit on a program, that other program from before, 26.8. You know, I'd like to see 26,000 straight on that thing. That'd be nice. Texas still bid. Texas still bid, man. You can't short this shit with tech still bid like this. Look at this Nvidia now. You know, AMD here trying to curl back up. Walkwas is talking about the AI. Let's take a look at that. Oh, yo, Ben, check out your AI. Nice call. Nice call. Smack, I thought we were going lower. I thought we were going a lot lower, bro. Like a lot lower. Airbnb fresh lows, huh? Yeah, but this thing is still chopped from yesterday. Look at Google and Meta. Google and Meta look like they want to go to highs. Like Google, Amazon here back to highs, 112. You know what I mean? You know, look at the banks here. They're trading fine. Christmas Mara leaps. May put leaps. Shit. I don't know. Now this market looks like it wants higher. Netflix, you got some call. Let's take a look at this flow here too. Apple here puts Netflix 337s. Yep, I see that. Amazon calls, AMD calls. But you know they're bidding all this stuff back up. Google's. It's all the big boys. It is all the big boys. I mean, you know, I appreciate you guys like, you know, sending me vibes and stuff, but you need to understand like I'm doing this for your entertainment. Like understand that. Y'all are, y'all comments are worthless to me. Hands down. Like, you know, they're worthless. Like, you know what worthless means? It means that they're worthless. This is entertainment for y'all. So once you understand that, then we can get along here. If you You know what I'm saying? If you keep fighting, then this stream's not gonna help you. Yeah, even more worthless than Pepe coin. Even though that shit still has what like a fucking valuation absurd. Microsoft guys is at 309 and climbing, man. These techs look strong as fuck. Google, all of this stuff. And it's just those names and just those names alone. Tesla even coming back. Everything else is weak, but it's fat, man. Oh, 100% Jesse. Somebody made fucking somebody remember, somebody minted that coin, you know? Somebody actually minted that coin. And whoever minted that coin did absolutely ridiculous. Miley, that wasn't a podcast. That was a sales webinar. So Miley, you know, and if you want everything is taped podcast, you're here at the best place that you could get it. Quality entertainment. But clearly y'all just be missing it. All right, here. Might have been saying if they blacklist your wallet, you can sell. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. Here goes your spy pop. Yeah, Apple. I haven't covered yet because I'm not feeling the strength of anything really. Yeah, that AMC dumper. Spy here still working its way up. We could easily go to 412 here. Now, if you notice, there's no selling. Now the selling pressure completely subsided. Yeah, yeah, I dumped them all. I dumped them all. I went aggressively short, and I got smoked on the short, and yeah, and then I got super short Nvidia, was doing really well, and then boom, we just came all the way back on Nvidia here now too. 285 here on Nvidia. So now they're bidding that back like it's no fucking big deal. So today is a crapshoot day for me, Daniel. Crapshoot fucking day for me. Holly is asking, are you swinging AMC from yesterday till tomorrow's close? I've been in AMC for a lot longer than yesterday. I've been in AMC for a week now. So I'm swinging it until I get my price. Why? Is tomorrow's close something interesting? Meta, fresh highs. PayPal bid off the lows. I'm not surprised. Yeah, I think you get bids across the board here. Look at this meta. You want to go long this meta and go for 240 on this. Remember, that was our trade idea for the morning. Or it's all bullshit again. We fade the fuck off. Yeah, Melvin is saying I see 413 easy today. I wouldn't be surprised at all. I wouldn't be surprised at all. At this point now, I'm just going to try to figure out a way to work out of my pain the simplest way possible. Netflix, yeah, they still buying Netflix. Netflix two, up 3 points on that Netflix, yo. Comedy, comedy. I still look at SPY and I'm like, yeah, we're buying, but we ain't going nowhere here. Where are we going? Where the fuck are we going? Netflix, Bad Harambe. Just talking about Netflix. Yeah, man. Some names they're just buying, and the selling is not enough to stop them. The meta is taking a day out of. Remember, for the last couple of weeks, this thing couldn't do anything. So Jay Kent, yeah, man, yeah, man. I went ahead and bought a few more SPX put contracts. Wouldn't follow me on those though. Notice market still super strong. Text. I mean, it's literally only like four names that are holding us up right now. Literally four names. You know what I'm saying? It's, hey, what the fuck? Chris here shorted Nvidia up there. Nice entry, man. Nice entry. Nice entry. My entries are always late, but if I catch my move, I catch my fucking move. All right. Ooh, Natalia here. Nice. That Nvidia D, yeah, but they can. We've seen tech drag everything higher for a lot longer than we like, you know. So be careful, especially if you're gonna short anything. Check out that AMC though. I like that. I like the action on the AMC. At least I'm making money over there. Always got something I'm making some money on. Maybe the same PayPal green. Well, it should be after having a horrible last 2 days, last 3 days, man. All right, let's take a walk around the club here before I head out. Um, Baba here. Interesting. We never checked back in with that Unity. Look at that Unity. You see this Unity? Remember, it sold off here off the open and then boom. So this is a solid earnings reaction here from the Unity. Solid. Um, so that's one of your ARC names. I don't think ARC is moving really as a result, but that's one of them. Let's take a look at the AMC. AMC's got a nice seller. It's got a nice seller. You know. So if I can get a break of $5 on this thing, maybe we get some play out of it. Maybe we get some play out of it. Take a look back at the Nvidia and SPX. Again, I'd like to see much lower, but we're not getting the type of tape that I need to justify uh, a, a big move lower. Let's take a look at the crude here. Somebody's talking about buying some crude options. No doubt. Let's take a look at the meta. Meta here, again, you can see these tech names here still holding us up. Let's cycle through some banks here. Banks are just dead. PACW, all this stuff, JPM, this stuff is dead. If we look at the shop's been weaker, but remember, it's been on quite the run. You know, It's been on quite the run. If we take a look at gold here, gold kind of bounced back a little bit. Um, Anything else here? Anything else? The CVNA. Man, yeah, I was thinking about shorting this thing, man, but didn't do it. Oof, video pop. That makes you holding below and 285. My plan is to short pops all day. Ask Chrissy Trades is saying, well, here's your next rally up here. You can see SPY here is still a contender. I think we can still go a lot higher. Melvin, do you have a position for 413 SPY? You know, this shit is relentless, man. This shit is fucking relentless, man. AMD did the same thing. Let's take a look at the Melly. Somebody's talking about Google. Yeah, Google here, almost 118. Almost 118 on to Google. Netflix, somebody just bought some bear puts here, but it's super in the monies for next week's. I don't think it means much. 313 call 0 DTE. Adam Bailey here bought some. Still got some 412 calls open. Yeah, man. I think now selling both sides is now the play here. So New American, you're probably looking pretty good on those options you've been selling. UPST, UPST, yeah, a little bit. But does it fucking AMC fresh low? Let's take a look at BBBY, GME. Let's take a look at GME. GME is not doing anything. I think I got a good read on this AMC, man. Just need to get a four print. I mean, if I get a $4 print, whew, whew, I'm happy. I'm happy. Nvidia here. Keto here was going to wait till SPY hit 412 to see what it does, but entered SPY puts. You know, you chances are you still get your SPY 412 at some point. This Nvidia lost all the sellers. All the sellers are gone now on this thing. For now. For now. So, something would have to happen here. Something would have to happen here. So now this shit ain't looking too hot for me. But I'm going to stick it out for now. Let's see. Got a program down here on SPY, but I wouldn't go short off of it. Wouldn't go short yet off of it. I mean, if we get through 411, 410.80, you get through 410.80, you know, now you might be looking at something. Nice entry though, Keto. Natalia, ¿qué va a hacer? Ah, okay. Okay. June, you're gonna have to come to the office. Remember, I'm in an office with 14 other people. Yo, trade desk is down. So this thing was up really nice and then sold off. Man, it's a tough day, yo. It's a fucking tough ass day, bro. Twice now they caught people at that 414 and a half area. Twice they caught. Fishing. Man, impressive. All right, guys. Before I pull off here, anything, any questions or anything you guys want to talk about here? This Netflix here just got a 330 put lotto ticket, though. These are all lottos. Dom is saying they ain't buying much. That's what I'm thinking. I'm looking across the board here. They're not buying much. They're only buying a couple of names here. So eventually here, they crack it. They crack it down. But maybe, maybe that ain't the case. Paul is saying, is it possible to come work in your office? Of course, man. Anybody can come in here. But I get it. I get it. So every day I gotta assume here this kind of people that don't know. So all you gotta do is go to tradespace.us and you can book a desk and you can come down here whenever you want to. Of course, if we have the desks available. So yeah, man, this is a community for traders. This is, another reason why the Twitch is up. So the other traders hop on, not today, but they're all on as well. Ah, shit, he's been sick, man. Let me yell at this fucking dude right now. Oh, so you're not gonna need a desk. All right, cool. So you're just gonna be in the living room. Miley is saying, are there resorts and stuff near you? PR is a different type of place, so it's not like DR in the sense, or it's not like Cancun and stuff like that, where you get all these resorts and shit like that. But everything is near us. All the hotels, everything is near us. And again, you're at an office with a bunch of other, people who trade, so you'll be going out with us. And there's a fridge here. You can bring sandwiches if you like. All right. So again, sign up, get a desk, and if you want to get a desk in the future or whatever, just make sure you book it because we book up, we book up quick. You know what I mean? All right. Well, that's your spy here. Still not letting it go. All right, everybody, take it easy, and we'll see you tomorrow.